In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the transfer case drive shaft for the Dodge Ram 1500 2013 to 2018. The transfer case drive shaft. The following are the tools used for replacing the transfer case drive shaft. Large electric impact wrench. Large 15mm short socket. Large short extension bar. Small flathead screwdriver. Large flathead screwdriver. Crimping pliers. Hammer. Large extendable ratcheting wrench. Large torque wrench. Lift the vehicle. We are now removing the front differential to transfer case drive shaft. Using the small flathead screwdriver, pry out the drive shaft retaining clip. Remove the retaining clip. Using the large flathead screwdriver, wedge it against the drive shaft universal spider. Lock the drive shaft in place to keep it from spinning while we're removing. Using the large 15mm short socket with the large extendable ratchet, loose the drive shaft flange retaining bolts. Using the large 15mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, remove the drive shaft flange retaining bolts. After all bolts are removed, separate the flange. Remove the drive shaft. Here is the old transfer case versus new drive shaft. After aligning the position, install the drive shaft. Connect the drive shaft to the differential, align the bolt holes, and install the retaining bolts. Using the large 15mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, tighten the drive shaft flange retaining bolts. Using the large flathead screwdriver, large 15mm short socket, and large torque wrench, torque the drive shaft flange retaining bolts. Torque specific, 95 Nm, 70 foot-pounds. Torque them in a cross pattern. After preparing the original retaining clip and reinstall it. Snap the clamp back into place. Using the crimping pliers to crimp the clamp tight. Using the hammer, tap the clamp retaining tang flat to lock it. Lower the vehicle.